Welcome back to Learn SKN, and today we have a kind of rant-like video for you today, and it pertains to CXC and their annual report, and those that might or might not be missing. So as we are approaching the release of the 2021 CXC examination results, and also as we're approaching the sitting of the January 2022 CXC exam cycle, you would realize that if you go on CXC's webpage and you scroll all the way to where you can find the annual reports, you will realize something is amiss, right? You realize something's missing. So they have reports dating all the way back to 2004. And then you will realize that they kind of stop at 2019. So normally they would post that year's results, that year's report, maybe during the year. Like for example, the 2018 report was posted in December 2018. The 2017 was posted perhaps almost a year later in 2018. But you realize in 2021 we would have passed most of these dates, because this one was December of the same year. So December of 2020 has passed. These other ones would have been like March of the next year, June of the next year, January of the next year, the same year, December of the next year. So maybe we're too early, don't know. But it's just interesting to see that there hasn't been a post for the 2020 CXC annual report. Haven't seen any 2020 annual report at all. These annual reports are nicely formatted. They have all the data in there. They have all the stats and everything about exams and pass rate and everything, right? They have real data in there pertaining to different subjects, the breakdown, marking, all that kind of good stuff. So you can go through it and see what is what. Real in-depth reporting here. But for whatever reason, they have yet to post the 2020 annual report. I guess, I don't know. I don't want to open any sores. I know some persons haven't yet recovered from some of the results they got in 2020. They were expecting one thing and got another. Some people might be sitting in January. Some people might have resat in the last cycle there for the 2021 cycle because they would have failed, according to CXC, they would have failed in 2020. And so we don't want to open any new wounds here or dig into any old wounds, but to me it's just interesting that they have yet to post the 2020 annual report. I mean, people might say they're hiding stuff, but I know that they had to do remark. Well, they said they had to remark and they had to do a lot of things over, so perhaps that is why it's taking this long. But the 2021 cycle has come and gone. Results are about to be released, so I guess probably they might drop a double pack. They might drop the 2020 and the 2021 together. I don't know, but I would really love to see the 2020 report to dig into the numbers so we can, see what subjects has the most entrance, things like that. So maybe you can adjust accordingly, deliver what the people want. If majority of the people are doing POB, then you deliver the POB content. If a large number is doing econ or doing this other subject, you deliver that. So I love to use the data to drive my decision making. That is why I end up settling on POB for the main subject for this channel, because when you look at it, outside of the course, which is the maths and the English and stuff like that, as an elective, POB is one that has a lot of persons registering for the subject. And so I know that a lot of persons will be helped if I go down the path of POB. Econ isn't as high. Agricultural science definitely is not as high. But POB is right up there with some of the cores. So it will be interesting to see the drop off, the gains, whatever, with different subjects for the 2020 year. But again, CXC yet to release it. Probably is embroiled in all of the the confusion, the turmoil. Perhaps I don't know if there's an injunction anywhere. I don't know what's going on. My bet is that maybe it's this late because they had to remark, they had to reassess, do all kind of things like that. But that process was done and dusted according to them a long time ago. So all now they should have had something to release as it relates to the annual report. I'm pretty sure, I'm gonna just bet and say the 2021 report is gonna drop before any 2020 comes out. 2021 will drop before any 2020 report comes out. I mean, I could be proven wrong. I'll be happy to be proven wrong. So if they happen to drop the 2020 report tomorrow, I don't mind. I'm happy. Want to see it. But I'm just a little concerned. I want to see the 2020 report. Alright, so that's just all I wanted to get off my chest. For those who are eagerly anticipating any new content, I'll be dropping some new content coming up. You know, some econ, some POB, some MOB, some agriculture science, some past papers in the mix. So just stay tuned for Learn SKN when we drop some new content relating to subjects. It's coming, it's all coming. But I know for sure I have a lot of content on the channel to hold over newcomers for a while. Right, so I know it's enough to hold you over until we drop new content. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think they're hiding the report? Do you think it will be released? Do you think they should release it? Are you already past that? You don't move on, don't go on to university? Is the taste so bitter in your mouth still that you can't really forgive CXC? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me what's going on. Alright? So that's it for now.